Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Tesla Model S. First, ensure your phone key or key card is present. The car automatically unlocks as you approach, and the doors open with a gentle press. Once inside, simply press the brake pedal to power on the vehicle. There is no traditional start button, making the process incredibly seamless. You are now ready for the next step in your driving experience. To begin driving, locate the gear selector stalk on the right side of the steering column. Push it down for drive or up for reverse. For park, press the button on the end of the stalk. The Model S offers smooth acceleration, so gently press the accelerator pedal. Remember, regenerative braking means the car slows significantly when you lift your foot, often reducing the need for the brake pedal. The large 17-inch touchscreen is your command center for nearly all vehicle functions. It displays your speed, navigation, media, and climate controls. You can customize the layout to show your preferred information. Swipe and tap just like a tablet to access various settings and applications. It is intuitive and designed to keep essential information readily available while driving, enhancing your control and comfort. The Model S includes advanced driver assistance features like autopilot, which can assist with steering, accelerating, and braking. To engage autopilot, pull the gear selector stalk towards you twice. When parking, the car can assist with automatic parking in some situations. Always remain attentive and ready to take control. To exit, simply press the park button on the stalk and open the door. The car will power down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.